I thought we would take a look at a recent gig where we were using both the wing full size and the wing rack, and find some tips and pointers along the way. The full-size wing was deployed at front of house. One thing I like doing, whether it's the wing or the M32 at front of house, is using an AS50 connection to a DL32 at the stage, and then using an analog splitter at the stage. This avoids the need in a cumbersome analog snake, while also letting us work without any gain sharing. Plus, an analog split means any consoles can be paired together as the front of house and monitor desks. It just works. This is the wing rack packaging configuration that I've been using. I'll leave a link below to the video that shows this wing rack build out. The ProRec splitter is perfect for this application, and it lives with the wing rack here. We take subsnakes from the stage attached to the splitter inputs. And then all the stage mics and DIs go to the subsnakes and then onto the splitter at the rack via the subsnakes, or some cases home runs. One splitter tail feeds the wing rack and stays permanently connected. The other tail goes to the DL32. An analog splitter does what the name says. It splits one signal to go to two places. In this case, a monitor console and a front of house console. CJ has his laptop and iPad to control the wing rack in monitor world. He has his rack outputs feeding the monitor amps and our Sennheiser in-ear monitor rack. I have my wing main outputs for front of house feeding the DL32 and then feeding the JBL SRX 900 rig from the DL32. As we get ready for the band, note the downstage cable path to keep the cables out of the way of the talent. Sound check. For sound check here, I let monitor world go first. Since we're using an analog split, everything is independent between the two consoles, so that keeps things simple. I set my gains at the same time CJ is setting gains, channel EQ, and level in monitor world. Then I bring the channel up in front of house and do a quick setting, and then mute it when I'm done so they can move on stage. I like for the musicians to hear the stage with both the monitors only as well as with front of house so they get a feel for exactly what the monitors are doing, as well as what the stage will sound and feel like with the house on. Then final tweaks for monitors and mains, and then it's time for some pre-show ice cream. And let's not forget about lighting. Here's the LD, Jeremy, in his Avo world. Following the show, it's time to strike things. Make sure to keep things organized and together. It's more efficient and it helps to keep things from getting left behind. And leave room for the other departments, audio, lighting, backline, talent. That way everyone can get out quickly and safely. I'll leave affiliate links below. Using affiliate links like my Sweetwater link helps to support the channel. This video shows the build out of the wing rack build. Leave any comments or questions below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.